Hey, it's Katrina with Group Home on Autopilot, and today I wanted to talk about laundry. So even though I have several refrigerators at my houses, for laundry we do have one washer and one dryer, but we have a schedule. So for example, on Mondays is room 1, Tuesdays is room 2, Wednesdays is room 3, A and B, and Thursdays is room 3, C and D. And then Friday is room 4, Saturday is room 5, Sunday is open for whoever wants to do laundry. So what we do is basically post the schedule, and the people follow it, but they're also kind of friends too. It's really a community. So they just talk to each other and they decide on who's going to use the laundry when. The most important thing for you as a group home operator, though, is to make sure that you're keeping your washer and dryer maintained. So if that means you need to clean it out with that fresh stuff, you need to do that on a schedule and have that down as one of your monthly maintenance items. So if this was helpful for you, please let me know in the comment section. And also, if you have any questions on how to open your group home, how to start a group home, let me know, because I like doing these videos explaining to you how I run 2 successful group homes from afar. I live in California and my group homes are in San Antonio, Texas. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.